Hey guys, this is Michael from digitalreg.net and today we are here sa DJI event. Ano ba yung DJI event na to?
Good afternoon by the way. My name is CR Montes from DJI Philippines and today, nag-event tayo ngayon together with the Lee Automobile and the DJI Power 2000 collaboration with them. So today, na-experience ng ating mga kasama mga taga-media DJI Power 2000 and at the same time, na-experience din nila yung mga Lee na electric vehicle natin ngayon dito sa Antipolo. Ayan.
So sir, yung power station natin from DJI, bakit ba pipiliin nila to over sa other competition?
Number one, syempre yung compatibility mostly sa mga device natin, not only on the DJI products and at the same time, dun sa lahat ng devices natin, from mobile phone, from computers, everything compatible lahat kay DJI Power 2000. At the same time, sobrang compact ng design and sobrang safety kasi meron tayong 18 safety measures dun sa ating device and fireproof siya. And fast charging also with solar fast charging technology.
So saan nila makikita yung ating DJI Power Station?
Actually, available yung ating DJI Power Station across nationwide sa lahat ng DJI concept stores natin. Yan.
So ayun guys, nandito tayo ulit nga pala sa DJI collaboration with Li Auto for their Road to Creation workshop. And thank you very much for DJI for inviting us and see you in the next video.
Peace out!